Hi everyone, in this application called task list, which I'm working on right now as a refactoring kata, but I want to improve it later. This time I want to make it the first step to ensure what is the test cover. So when I run the tests right now, just a reminder, the previous video I have ported from RSpec to Minitest. All the tests are running fine, and when you look at the scenario, it seems to be invoking all those commands which are available, adding some project tasks, checking some of them as done, showing the current state, and then quit. So there's like one scenario only, and that's it. And we are kind of simulating the input and output. So my goal is to ensure with a better tooling, like with mutation testing, what is the actual coverage. So my approach is this: I will add a gem called mutant mini test, and I will ensure the version which I was using previously. So this should work now, and now I will go to the application test, because in here I now need to actually require mutant mini test coverage. And then what I want to do is to tell mutant which namespace is tested by this class. And now having all of this, I can go to the command line. I have prepared this this mutant command. Is not easy to remember, so I usually copy and paste it from somewhere. So it's dash include the lib directory, and then require the task list Ruby file, and then tell mutant to use minitest, and then say what is the namespace, what the namespace matches, the regex actually. And then when I run it, it takes a while. I'm using Ruby 2.6.3 in case it matters, and now it's actually testing the coverage. So this is the percentage. This is also a nice metric. This tells me how the code is complicated because it tells me how many possible mutations there are. And based on the number of mutations and based on the speed of tests overall, which here are quite fast, I can understand how long the mutation testing usually takes. Then I have this summary. So in here, the summary says covers 73%, which on its own doesn't tell much apart from, okay, it's not fully tested. There are 167 alive mutations, which means there's quite a lot of that. And if I scroll to this, there is definitely some logic which is not tested. Like previously, the code was telling false, but if you pass nil, it's the same. If you pass true, it's the same. So some parts of checking is not okay. There is also quite a number of, I was running this previously, quite a number of things related to one specific command. So the help command is not really tested in any way. So a big number of those mutations is actually related to the fact that that this is not even invoked in the test, right? So the whole section of task list, so this part is not really invoked in any way. While it is possible to use it when you call execute, you can say help, and that's help. But obviously help is not a crucial feature. While it's good if it's correct, it's not a crucial feature, but I would still test it. So for probably in my next videos, I will try to show how I'm adding the coverage. The idea is to improve the coverage a lot, but also mutant not only tells me the coverage, but sometimes it actually you could say recommending that maybe the design is wrong. So I will, in the next videos, I will follow with improving the test coverage or improving the design. Thank you.